Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from, wait a minute, why do I have a gun in my hand? Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we have this interesting solo light. It is really cute and tiny. It's just about 4.5 inches long. So just to use an example, this is a 4-inch barrel, maybe 5.5 inches long. Something like that, or maybe a little shorter. I don't even have a ruler with me. But that is, so this light works pretty well. I've had it charging for the last 3 days on the outside, obviously. I mean, you can charge it inside too, but it has the mounting bracket is built on the back of the light itself. All right, it does not come off, so this is fixed. There's no bracket or anything. It's part of the light. It is relatively inexpensive and cheaply made. However, it does the job, and it does the job well. Not a high quality product, but then again, it's, you know, the things spin. You know, you can spin them in different directions. Solar panel's adjustable, so you can spin it in different directions, and this stays still. So this stays mounted like this, and then you can adjust the solar panel whichever way you like. You don't have too much spinning capability, because once you spin it, it actually will hit the wall of where you're mounted from, type of thing. So you really have very limited movement once it's mounted. However, the lights, if you have it, you can actually have them pointing straight down. So you can have them straight. This is one of the unique things. So this is the motion sensor here, and it's on top. Most of the lights that you've ever seen, they're actually located in the bottom. This one's located on top. So I guess you can't even spin it. So this is how it's got to be. So you can have the light like this, I guess, and it's kind of funky looking. It's not you can't spin it 360 degrees. So this is the direction of it. So, which is unique, that you can actually face these straight down, like so. And then you give down firing light. So this will not get the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating because the battery is not user replaceable. It could be done. They did it cheaply. They soldered the wires to the battery and they soldered the wires to the circuit board. Not overly impressed with that. However, it does work, and it does work well. I'll show you a video right now. Alright, so that's the light outside there. And it detected me. Wow. So as soon as I walk out the door, it detected me. That's pretty good, but look how bright that is. That's insane. And matter of fact, it's actually being blocked by the steps. So I actually have it on the steps. I had it on there just for charging purposes. But let's go over here. Let's move it over here so you can actually see how bright it is. And the light from that is actually causing it to, let's do this. So that's a better shot. So now you actually can see how bright it is going towards the car. You actually could see. It's actually pretty impressive, actually. See, there's nothing. So let me wait for it to, I have it on the dim mode, so it stays lit when there's no motion. So just let it, try to see if the motion will not detect it anymore, detect me, and see if it goes dim. And the other one shut off. See if that goes off. There we go. So that's dim mode. So it doesn't really light up anything. It just pretty much stays on. Let's see. There we go. Finally. It's a good light. I like it. Definitely does not get the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating because the battery is not user replaceable. But it is definitely a bright light. You definitely get to see what you need to see. So I'm going to give this probably probably a 3-star rating, because I'm not overly impressed with, I'm more interested in having a longevity of a light. If I'm going to invest $20, $25 on something, it better last pretty long. And since it's solar charged, it's not going to damage the battery, but most of these batteries last between, 2 to 3 years. So you're going to get a decent amount of life out of this. Winter months, it may not work as well because the sun doesn't, it rises and it doesn't go high, like high noon, like in the summertime. It's kind of a little lower. So you might have a little less light charging capability during the winter months, especially if you're in New York area, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, that kind of stuff. If you're further south, you may get better results out of it, but as soon as the more north you go, the less of sun you'll get through winter months. So anyway, that said, again, 3-star rating, not overly impressed, but I'm still gonna review it because that's what I do. I didn't get this from anybody. I bought this myself. That's what I usually do. I always buy stuff. I'd randomly pick an LED light and I buy it and I review it, and that's how I do it. That's pretty much it. It's a great thing. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.